I got the clarity of my future, because I was like blank about what I should be doing next in my life.
Test, like the result was pretty extensive, it was pretty detailed. And yeah, this counselor was very friendly to talk to, and she did clear up a few of like the questions that I had.
We had an aptitude test and a career test, which was based on my interest. If I had gone searched online, I wouldn't have known what my interest, where my actual interest in my career lies in.
Really good experience. I got to know a lot about different streams and different careers. I had no knowledge about it, but then after attending the session, I got a vast knowledge about everything. So it was really helpful.
Yeah, she was very nice. Like she kind of related with what I was saying, because she was also facing similar issues when she was at my age. So she kind of related a lot, and according to that, she had suggested few things also, like separately from me, apart from the careers that we had discussed.
Communication was awesome, sir. The counselor was patiently listening to every aspect of my learning and telling the counselor what I wanted to choose. She explained me every types of career, and that's how I got to choose my career, I think.
The session that was concluded by the ma'am, which has given me a crystal clear idea about various subjects. Like first I have to pursue only civil engineering. I was thinking of civil engineering, but she just helped me to understand various subjects like urban planning, like business advisor, financial advisor. That were various topics. Like, and after I have to give civil services exam, and she also helped me to understand what conditions I need to pursue for civil services exam.
First of all, to go with my gut, because the things that I thought I liked were reconfirmed by the test results. So like what I thought I am capable of was right from the start. So it like made me realize that I know what I am good at, and I know what I'm not that good at.
Yeah, she was extremely good for me. She have explained me various topics very nicely. She has first asked me where my interests were, where should I work upon. She was really good, and her nature was good. After I have asked her several doubts, like 4 to 5 doubts on my career, then she has answered me very nicely.
When the career meetings got started, at first I was very nervous that how I'm gonna conversate with madam in fluent English, and how I'm gonna answer the questions, because all the questions will be asked a single time, and my first impression will be the means it will according to it the ma'am will formulate all my conclusion that what I'm gonna speak and what are my thoughts, which are the things which about which I am lying, and about which are the things I say the truth. So the meeting was there the counselor ma'am told me that you don't need to worry anywhere, you can speak in Hindi too. So some of the during the period means some of the time we spoke Hindi and sometimes we spoke English, and therefore this resulted in a good conversation with each other. We had a great deal, and means dealing all those problems. I was able to share all my experiences and all my problems when we talked in Hindi and English both. So ma'am, it helped me a lot.
Experience was really informative. So when I was at the call with the counselor, we had multiple tests to recognize whatever career path I had to choose. Then based on this, they had given scores on me according to my interests, my personalities, and aptitude. And thereafter, we shortlisted a few careers, and then she started telling me and exploring me into new options. What should I do and what should I not do? So the workshop was informative, and the people were always constantly in touch with me. So whenever I had any queries, they would immediately come up to me and fulfill my queries. So
I was just sticking to 3 options: science, commerce. In fact, not even arts, only science and commerce. But then after attending the session, I got to know that there is more than just science and commerce, and I'll have to think about it a lot. And yes, I learned that all I have to do is, according to my interest, I'll have to pick a career.
Then she had a word with my parents as well. Each counseling session had a 15 minutes, like in the duration, last 15 minutes were kept with parents. So whatever we discussed will inform to our parents. So she was there with me in every part, and she was interactive, informative, And also she was asking about my interests and personality. She wanted to know me from the grassroots level, so she was there by my side, and still she contacts me and messages me even if I face any difficulty. It's apart from my career choosing. So
Yeah, the experience was absolutely fine. In fact, there was a lot to understand and learn, in terms of how to build the careers for the child. Because you see, we as a professionals, we are very busy, and as correctly told to us last time, that there are a whole host of options which are available. For a student of, let's say, IT, he has so many varieties of things to do. So exactly where he fits the bill and where does his skill set lies, and how interested he is in that particular line of activity. So those things, I think, that can be charted out very well by you all people. We as a profession, we don't have time not much of time to invest in all these. So we thought that once we have a professional approach from a people like you all, definitely it will be a huge help for all of us to make the correct career progressions going forward.
I learned so much about psychometric test, how to choose a career. I learned so. I even didn't know that so many careers existed, especially for him. I have seen the report, the type of careers you have suggested. I never knew that he has so many options. So now, the entire world is there for him. It's good. The experience was very good. Something very unique.
Yeah, we discussed. Actually, he updated me about outcome of the test also. So after the test, I found him found Tusundu much more confident that because a frank confession makes a person lighter, emotions wise, knowledge wise. That I could see all those things. And apart from that, because this thing, spectrum, actually we were focusing on one particular area only. So now the spectrum has broadened now. So he's willingly is accepted. He has some few more options available. Apart from that, the psychometric test, the way that ma'am handled that thing, because she could get everything out of Tushindu. So nothing was hiding, it was totally transparent. So that I noticed, that was wonderful actually.